हेलो बच्चों, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेक एक्सरसाइज 3.6 which is the last exercise of the chapter. Topic of the exercise is the equations reducible to pair of linear equations. Equations reducible to pair of linear equation. It does mean equation given in this exercise would not be the exact linear equations, means in the standard form. Standard form of the linear equation was ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. When there were two equations, then you have considered a1 b1 c1 and other a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 is equal to 0. The questions in this exercise will not be in the format. You have to reduce the equation into this format, and reduction may be done by assuming certain quantity, by letting something. There is no special method of solving the equation. The method of solution of equations has been explained in previous lectures. There were three methods of solving the equation. One was by substitution, second was by elimination, third was by cross multiplication. This is a special case of linear equations, you can say. Then with the two examples I am going to explain, then you can get the idea how to deal with the equation of this exercise. Let us take the example. Not the example, it is any question of your exercise. Equation is given 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. In these two given equations, variable x and y are existing in the denominator, but in the standard equation they are in the numerator. It is given. Then how to, this x cannot be taken into the numerator, but what you have to do, you will put 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon v is equal to y is equal to v. Means in place of 1 upon x you will substitute or put x u and 1 upon y is equal to v. It means your equation will be converted into the new variables u and v with respect to 1 upon x and 1 upon y. Then what change will come? Let us see. Then this equation will reduce to u upon 2 plus v upon 3 is equal to 2. Now the variable u and v are existing in the numerator. In the denominator only digits are there. These can be solved by taking proper LCM etc. Then this will be solved as LCM will be 3 to 6. This will become 3u plus 2v is equal to 2. 6 multiplied this side, this will become 3u plus 2v is equal to 6 2 ja 12. You can take this equation 1. This equation which you have converted is in the format ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, means in this format which I have explained, that is a standard format. In the same manner, second equation can also be solved, and this you are manipulating the given equation into the standard format for the sake of solution. Then what will happen? Next is 1 by u upon 3 plus v upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Now what will happen? LCM 6, it will be 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 upon 6. The 6 in the denominator will be cancelled both sides. You will get 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. This is equation 2. Now you have got the two equations. and these equations can be solved by any of the previous method of three methods, anyone you can apply and solve the equations. Whatever the value you will get for u and y, that will be substituted here. Suppose you are getting value of u is equal to 3, then 1 upon x is equal to solution. You will have to do, I am taking just an examples. Let us consider the value of u is coming 2. After solving the equation, if the value is coming u is equal to 2 and value of v is coming 3, suppose, this will be obtained by solving the equation by any of the previous methods. What in this different step you have to do, the different equations have been given. Now this u has come to, and u was equal to 1 upon x, then you will have to do some more steps. Then 1 upon x is equal to 2, or 1 is equal to 2x, or x is equal to 1 upon 2. For obtaining the value of x, this one is you have to do further. For v you will do 1 upon y is equal to 3, and 1 is equal to 3y, y is equal to 1 upon 3. This will be the solution of the equations. Means by assuming certain quantity u and v, this u and v you can consider a and b, you can consider p and q. Two different letters are to be chosen as a next variables regarding the assumed quantity. Here for 1 upon x it is u, for 1 upon y it is v. In the same manner, as this assumption will vary question to question, and solution will follow as it is in the previous lecture I have explained, and 2-3 steps more you will have to do like this. Let us take one more example, not example but the question, that is 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now in this equation, in both the equation, in denominator x minus 1 is written, denominator y minus 2 is written. If you consider, let 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u, 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v, the equation will be converted into 5u plus v is equal to 2. It means 1 upon this whole quantity is turning v, then v. Now actually this 5 upon this much means 5 into 1 upon this much x minus 1, then 1 upon x minus 1 will become u, the 5 will be multiplier, then 5u it will be. This is your equation 1. In the same manner, this will become 6u minus 3v is equal to 1, equation 2. Again you have converted the given equation into the standard format. This can be further solved, and whatever the values will be coming, that will be substituted here as solved in this last steps. Then you can calculate x minus y, 1 x, and from here y. This will be the whole working to be done in this exercise. Then your nothing special to be done in this exercise, but certain assumptions you will have to made, and I have explained 2 examples, 2 questions. Accordingly you should think and solve the questions, and your homework would be exercise 3.6 today. Now your chapter 3 ends today. This is the complete activity regarding the chapter 3. Thank you.